Kajal or kohl, that one piece of cosmetic we all love so much, don't we? But this ostensibly harmless piece of cosmetic can lead to some serious health problems. Don't believe us? The US FDA has flagged off some concerns regarding the use of kajal or kohl in many cultures and has also particularly spoken about the fact that the use in children can cause harm. Take a look at this detailed report. The week gone by has seen a lot of chatter around everyday practices and popular products like kohl or kajal. The US FDA has put the spotlight on this product we so easily use on ourselves and on our children, don't we? Kohl, kajal, alcohol, surma, tiro, tozali or quali. Call it by any name, the FDA says it leads to poisoning. What are these products then made of? Well, kohl, kajal, alcohol, surma, tiro, tozali and quali often contain high levels of lead. For example, lead usually in the form of lead sulfide sometimes accounts for more than half the weight of kohl products. Kohl products may also contain a variety of other materials such as aluminium, antimony, carbon, iron and zinc compounds as well as camphor and menthol. Are kohl and similar products directly linked to increased levels of lead in children then? The FDA is aware of instances, it says, of kohl-related lead poisoning in children in the US. A number of studies have shown that children exposed to kohl and similar products have increased levels of lead in their blood.
Traditionally, kajal, kohl, surma, these are products that have been linked with high lead content and have sometimes led to lead toxicity. But increased awareness about this issue over the last couple of decades has resulted in a lot of products in the market being available which are either lead free or have a lower lead content, which is a good thing. So my suggestion would be, if parents or if people want to use kohl for the children or for themselves, they should look for products which are certified as being lead free.
So what is natural kajal? Traditional kajal is surma that contains natural ingredients. It has almond oil, castor oil, coconut oil or ghee, clarified butter, often used to give kajal a smooth texture and help it glide onto the skin. Some kajal formulations may contain herbal extracts like amla, neem or triphala for their purported medicinal or soothing properties. To minimize any potential risks, it is essential to use high-quality kajal from reputed brands and check the list for any harmful ingredients. Many modern kajal products are formulated with safer ingredients and are designed to be gentle on the eyes.
Despite being lead-free, there can still be an adverse effect of kajal on the eyes. It can lead to dryness in the eyes, which is a very common side effect of using kajal, and inflammation of the lid glands, which is called Meibomian gland dysfunction. So these are serious things, and other than that, of course, there can be sometimes blurring of vision due to which could be transient. The advantage of good brands is that we know that production quality and manufacturing quality would be good, and there was less likelihood of infection going in. So my suggestion would be to go for a good brand which certifies that the product is lead free.
So if you simply have to apply kajal, do this. Essentially, your hands should be absolutely clean. Wash your hands, and if you are unable to wash your hands, ensure that you are sanitizing your hands. That's important. You're touching your eyes at the end of the day, and this is extremely important. Now, when you pick a kajal, make sure that you read the ingredients very carefully. If there is a red flag, don't pick that product. If the product is expensive, it's of a reputed brand, you must go for it. Essentially, the mistake that people make while applying kajal is this, that they pull down their eyelid in this fashion and apply it right inside in the sensitive area in the inner eye. That should not be done. It should be applied on the outer eye, just in this fashion, just like this, right outside and not inside. This is to not be done. You absolutely should not be sharing your makeup products. Your kajal should never be shared with anyone. Also, ensure that you remove your makeup when you don't require to apply it, especially when you're going to bed. Make sure that you've removed your kajal.